Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I'm gonna say a happy New Year's to all of you, and hope you have a good one. And I love you all out there. Here's Pie, and her cute little outfit. She's wearing her little dress. To say Happy New Year's. Still dance. High five. Lay down. And crawl. Good girl. Roll over. Good girl. Up. And dance some more. Good girl. You lay down again. And crawl. 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 Good girl. Crawl. Over. Very good. And that's Pie in her cute little dress for New Year's. And I got a couple of new fish in my 3-gallon tank. I got a new little platinum white guppy right here. Now it's a male. And I have all my other guppies in here. My swordtail right here, and my female pregnant guppy right here. She's getting so big. She's gonna have them any day now, I think. And then I got a new little Molly in the back. So I have 2 orange Mollies back here. Along with my koi longfin. That's my female, and that's my male one. So they're doing all really good, and here comes my new Molly in the back. I thought I was gonna have a male and female, but it turns out that they're both female. But that's good anyways. Maybe we'll have some koi babies, and hopefully our guppy up here will have her babies anytime soon. I got the heater, and it's up to 80 degrees to have very healthy babies. And we have the plant up here, but I'll probably put the babies in the my 30-gallon fish tank. My hydrograss and all my other plants are doing real good with my heart water plant and everything, and my electro Corsus indica plant that's may bloom yellow in the summertime. So hopefully we'll get to see that. So everything's doing really, really, really good. And here, I hope you all enjoy as much as I do. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. I love you out there. Hope you enjoy.